This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jean Lee Dane. Enjoy this 55+ with low HOA fees, covering water, lawn care, pest control, laundry facilities, building maintenance, and assigned parking. Additional perks include a private storage closet for convenience. Located in Lake Osborne Towers, a co-op community where ownership is required, no rentals permitted. Application and approval must be secured before closing. Embrace the natural beauty of Lake Osborne, offering fishing, bird watching, wildlife, picnic areas, and stunning sunsets. Schedule your private showing today and experience everything this fabulous property has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Jean Lee Dane at 561